Based on your company's specific requirements, admins can set custom rules for bills, purchase orders, bill line items, purchase order line items, vendors, and approvals to automate the payables process further. Follow the steps in this video to add a new custom rule. Go to Settings and click on Rules. You will see different tabs with different properties of custom rules. Click on the Add Rule button on the top right and add a new rule. From the drop-down, select the property for creating the rule. Here you can add the details of the rule. First, add a distinct name for the rule. The rules work based on the if-then logic. A few of the most used rules applications are showing certain custom fields during the creation of the bill, making certain fields mandatory to fill in the bill edit form. If your inventory dictionary may be different from your vendors, you can automatically create a dictionary of matching items between your vendor's line items and map them to your inventory. With line item matching rules, you can streamline all the bill line items to your inventory dictionary and even facilitate easier PO to bill matching. Creating approval rules for different departments and assigning multiple approvers based on the department name. Creating rules based on vendor information. Click on Save the Rule button and the custom rule will be created. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflo.co or email us at support@peakflo.co.